them style, man. Alright, my boss, bless up. People is a taxi man, this I tell me say next taxi man them a jankro. You see that? Taxi man. I tell me say taxi man them a jankro.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? You know, here's truly 876 by Bergs, you know. And from hear my voice and you see the video, you know what time it is. You understand? Yeah, man. And today we're at downtown Kingston, you know. We just a circle Kingston downtown to see what really are going on. You see me? A Christmas Eve, official Christmas Eve, so at the Sunday. You get what I say? I understand say like most people them celebrate the Christmas Eve yesterday, which was the Saturday. You get me? Yeah. And then on the Sunday them just a easy back and thing. But we they downtown to see if downtown lockdown or if people out and about, you see me? Yeah. Car park over here so on my right hand side, it up and running same way. Good amount of car over there, so that means people there are shopping, a couple people here with 2 mat and 2 way and 2 tay. People still come down to town here, man. Angle them little business set speed, man. You see me? Car park not as full as, you know? Oh, it stay more while, but only if a car there same way. So, I figure say around in the town they could have active, you know? Yeah. So I go around there to see what go on. What do you see them do some little paving and everything they down here? I don't know. I'm not sure which one is street them that pave. But couple street well did a pave. But what them did come down here to one couple places block off and thing, couple some work did a go on and thing, you know? So I can see what go on. I would just go circle a few places, a few streets and see. See what really go on down here. Road dig out and sitting. I go up on Princess Street too, you know. Yeah. Brother, they try go better, but I don't know if up the block off, you know, stay away. People they are walk about same way. Same thing happen. Yeah, it don't look like Sunday to me at all. So basically I go to Ewood Street. And downtown, you know around here, so them is around here again. Them like Ray Market or Bendong Market or something. Yeah, you know around here, so ever catch a fire. Yeah. But this over there. That's some kind of jam up in the people.
Ginger selling, money, you know about ginger, you know about beetroot, money, ginger and beetroot are selling. Run come over here, so everything is selling. Run come over cheap
back a coronation market for the people. See me? Yeah.
Money, you know about cheap plaza, run come over cheap plaza, everything cheap.
Oh, that brother there, all the period on us.
Antibiotic garlic $100. That money, you know about antibiotic garlic, you know about all-purpose garlic, $100 garlic. Garlic price, $100.
No run us a long time. Them is the car run us a fish market or something. People been a really 100% member, you know.
Good food and jewelry.
Not 100% member people, but see me? Whole heap of garbage downtown people, water run and sort of thing. People in the road. People in the road and bathing and go on. I tell you. Well, the whole heap of people not too there still, you know, but place still jam up and busy. The people them still have a little dirty style. Most part of it still would have say place kind of calm, you know. You know, stay like how the weekend would have normally stay like a Saturday. This blasted robot taxi man a drive like him a idiot. So, couple wholesale still open. Yeah, couple wholesale open same way. A couple people there. So it look like Princess Street. Yeah, them block it off. So no car can go down. Lack of people. But down in there some of the one carrying the people, but I walk, me have to walk. Yeah, I walk more than enough to walk, people. Taxi man, yeah, man, are the worst them in a man. What this man here doing on the road, yeah, so. Yo, them man are the worst man in my life, you know, people. Taxi man here, you know. Worst man in my life, people. Worst man in my life. People who don't come to Jamaica when they see the red plate car, they will stay far from them, yeah. It's a North Parade. Just when they get bus go out of the eastern side of the island. Like out of Bull Bay and them place there. Harbour View. Yeah, them place there. You see me? Yeah. You know them style, man. Alright, my boss. Bless up. People is a taxi man, this and tell me say next taxi man them a junk crowd. You see that? Taxi man. I tell me say taxi man them a junk crowd. You see that, people? Alright. Boy, I tell you, both time I can't better stress out myself on them. God no. Both time I just calm down. You see me? Yeah. He's a taxi man this you know. And tell me say taxi man them a junk crowd. Jaja no. Dangerous man, people. If I find a taxi man, man, run up your blood pressure, man. The worst people in my life, man. Trust me. Worst people in my life ever. Alright, so we're gonna just go around this and go around on King Street. I go down King Street, you see me? Yeah, probably go down King Street and come up Orange Street and come back around this again. I want to probably look how Orange Street look. Still what them good at hope me still for Orange Street. Yeah man, still them for Orange Street good all open. This is another thing that the people in Jamaica need to learn. Yo, it's all good enough. Drivers will look out for passengers. This is King Street, people. Drivers will look out for passengers and them things. But here we go on the passenger, the pedestrian them, sorry. Drivers will look out for pedestrian, but here we go on the pedestrian them now. They need to know how to use the road too. You can't see a green light and step out when car come, especially up on the corner there so. Because the man have to stop and give them people, a lady and her child. See? And maybe I choose to have the child too, I must say, I just make she cross. But you can't see green light, car come around the corner and you have to step out on the green light. Yo, you can't do that. We have to know if you use the road too. You see me? So whether we are driver or passenger, we have to know that. And you get me? Wait for the light, wait for your time for cross, and then you cross. If you get caught in the middle, then I guess, you know, driver them can ease up and go now a little. You understand? Yeah. But you can't see the active green light vehicle drive and you just want poof, drive out. Nah, it no works so. No works at all, people. You have to know one of this, isn't it? Don't you say, oh, we have the Supreme Court, isn't it? Yeah. Supreme Court and Court of Appeal. For left and for right hand side. Yeah, Supreme Court on the left, Court of Appeal. Court of Appeal now, they're on the left side right there, so. Yeah. We're going down King Street, Supreme Court they're on your left side. Court of Appeal building would over on your right side. Yeah, this is Barry Street now, people. You see me? Yeah, so this I guess yesterday all of the festivities happened. Because today kind of look like, you know, it open, but people just are trying to grab that little last minute sale where them can grab same way. You know, anybody whenever did wine at the hustle and the bus yesterday and want to come out today, I guess them can do that. Come out today, come grab something when the less crowd they out, you see me? Yeah, so them people are just out there see me to kind of catch them little people, you see it? Yeah. Alright, so up as now, I'm going to turn right. That's Orange Street. Water from the water, man. People are buying things. Them cheering at the back there. Want to say I know somebody just grab one of them cheering. Yo, Jenna, you have water?
No, brown water.
I want water more. I want water more. I can't hear. Alright. Yeah, man, alright. Yeah, them cheering up at the back. I don't know if I hot bread them, but enough people I see I buy them. See? Yeah, man, people, so this is Orange Street. People them out still up here around every store open up here, so. You notice the traffic a move slow. You know, so you saw carry right up to the big tree there, so. I'm gonna know a town and know a big tree. And if you don't know a town, you're supposed to know a big tree to see him here.
Machine always get left. Wait till the man back.
You know, man pass, one shot at 30 dungeon, wholesale shots, wholesale tons. 30 dungeon, one tons a year. 30 dungeon, man pass, one shots a year. Swear boy.
Yeah, people them buy them little furniture for Christmas, you know that. Yeah. All of them places are blocked off. It's a Bedford Street from my left, so. When you see it's a road that people, but it block off. Well, it's been blocked off the vehicular traffic for a long while now still. couple years now. You see me? Yeah, couple years now. Walk, you can walk go down there. Yeah, watch garbage on the side of the road or something. Garbage up this still. Female garbage collector, yeah. Do. Red light that again. Alright, so we have circle back the park again. Yeah. So right as upon my left where me did I come from, where the taxi man be very disgusting. Load for go must Walter or wherever. Them disgusting man. Right this in front of me where captains used to they see man say Joe Gibbs Town Centre. So captains are there again. Water people, we can't make no loose stop, you know? Yeah, can't make no loose stop. So we're going to go back down King Street and then take a right and head out of the downtown area, say, alright? Yeah. I look at water in a bit because it's kind of hot overcast still, you know. Sun really shine out, but it's humid. Yes, I saw South Parade to my right. Find bus you got Portmore them place there. So pretty much I circle back the same place how they come over. Now I go back up Pine Street, you know, just I go straight across. Yeah. So I'm getting to see back right this again. As I say, Supreme Court up on the left side, Court of Appeal up on the right side. Alright? Yeah. Squaddy them look like them in no town at all. My if I'm but with them for drive. So we have a straight cross people. Barry Street with the pan and we are continue upon it. Straight cross. So yeah people. It's a downtown on a Sunday, but as I say normally wouldn't space up on a Sunday, you know, it would have empty and place would have clear up and you probably see the garbage truck clean up the garbage and thing. But because of Christmas Eve and then everywhere go lock down tomorrow, which are the holiday, I'm gonna make it Monday, everywhere go close, so you know? Yeah. That's why the people them still out right now, you see me? Yeah. Car, the vehicle the back of my people, so I really don't want to hold up the road. So somebody sell curtain rod. When last time I see curtain rod? Last time I see them curtain rod there. Pillar man there. Yeah.
Them in a dear no mother, $500 man shirt, see you alone. Rock and come in mother, any man shirt, $500 man shirt and $500. See you alone man shirt.
Yo, you have water? Jenna, you have water? Bear one, how much bear one there? Bear one there. Respect. Alright people, so we get in the water. I'm people, this is where the video come to a close, you know? Yeah man. Close it down here so. I circle waterfront. I can't go circle waterfront and then close off the video, see? Just want to see how down they look too. I mean it's supposed to look like normal still. I don't expect no crowd around this, so not right now. You know, but you know you have Glorious there down there. Yeah, because Glorious have a next, what they call it now? Have a next franchise or whatever you want to call it, you see me? Yeah. So Glorious, we normally out of Port Royal. Yeah man, them have one downtown right there, so they're on the waterfront on Ocean Boulevard. And you have Ribby's Ocean Lounge there down there too. They have a place named Ocean 7 I think. You know, these are all like lounges, little place you can go grab a drink and sorry people. I eat little food, sorry, me I drink the water, it's well cold. It nearly choked me. But yeah, them are places where you can grab, you know, grab a drink or grab something to eat or so, you know? Yeah. But them places, you know, a restaurant and so it open in the afternoon. Yeah. Open further down in the afternoon to down late down in the night. You understand? Yeah. Nothing much now go on out there just kinda laid back and thing. You might have 1 and 2 people, 1 and 2 fishermen come out and come fish. And so yeah, cause sometimes them catch some big fish, right? There's some people sometimes them catch some big fish. This man here broke the one way. Drive your car, madman. Cause you no come from Boya. I broke the one way. Yeah man, so don't get so kinda, you know, laid back. Kinda easy going right now. You can smell the fried fish from Gloria's. Right this up, from my left, there you have it. Ocean 7, Gloria's. I think Ruby's supposed to be over there too. People, so later on today, all night evening, no parking you can't find down here. No parking, nothing. Right across the waters to my left, where you find the airport and also Port Royal. One brother. One. It's a lady. Yeah people, so we're gonna close out the video right there. So the building here from the right side. Another tax office, but some government building. I think TRN office there over there. Couple couple offices over there. Yeah, I think TRN office must be over there if you want to be a TRN. Or no, not TRN. Oh no, the tax office is a little bit further up the road. This I must say UDC there over here. So. Yeah, kind of building I would say the office center building. Yeah, I think UDC must be over there and couple other places. Couple other government places over there. Beside that it's a digital head office. Yeah, that's how I'm going down. So I'll close up the video right to say no people. You know what I say? And here we go. I have some country video coming up here. You get what I say? Because I know say I'm mostly round town video I go now and things, so we have some country videos coming up. You see me? We have Black River. We have some country video forward, man. You see me? Yeah man, we have some country video forward. So just continue to stay tuned to the channel. You see me? Do remember to like, share, subscribe, drop in the comments as usual. You know in our comment section we do a thing. You get what I say? Yeah man, so drop on a comment in our comment section, man. You know the thing come on, you see me? Yeah. Might drop a live stream, you know. Don't sure yet still, but might drop a live stream still. You see me? But you don't know. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man, might drop a live stream and talk to you know, as my subscribers and my viewers. You know, we might just hold a little small reason, you know the thing goes still. You see me? Yeah man. Me actually do all a video one day, you know people. I big up whole heap of me I big up and I tell you now, the footage get corrupted, people. Couldn't post it. Like, me lose a whole heap of footage. Even before I do that video, people, like, how much in footage me have to delete off of the memory card. How much in footage me have to delete off of the memory card a while ago, people. Because, yo, them corrupted. Them not play. You see me, some of them are playing a sound alone. You get me? Yeah, like, whole heap of footage me I tell them to say. hours and hours and hours and hours of footage. You see me? But we don't know the thing, because it's all in the game, all part of the work. I saw the thing set up. We not stress over it. We can do it again. You get what I say? Yeah, man. So let's make sure someone drop the video them on the day as usual. Why this brother continuously broke the one way? Am I mad? People, that are the man where broke the one way a while ago, you know. Him crazy. And him do it. I don't know. Because why would you drive over there when you can just drive right? It's not like the one-way road. And like all of the road are one way and... Boy, I don't know. I can't explain it neither. Him crazy. That's all I can say. But him brought the one way when me come out and then see him again and do the same thing. I know, but as I say, people, do remember, you know. Just continue for dropping the comments in the comment section. Because I know there's a whole lot of reason and thing. You see me? Yeah, man. Chadwick, big up yourself. And Jacqueline, big up yourself. Yeah, Jacqueline Welch, big up yourself. I say, I big you up in one video, you know, man. I have one... Hey... I say, lose the footage still, you know. Lose the footage. But big up yourself, Jacqueline. You see me? You always drop your comments and everything and and you burn me out. You know, you look away when you're ready still, but you don't know. Big up yourself. Love goes out just the same. You see me? All of my subscribers, them. Chadwick, big up yourself just the same. You see me? Yeah, man. Blessings and respect. I don't want to start the name calling, you know. Because I start the name calling video now, go done for now, you know. But I don't want to start the name calling. I'm on the right because this is true and net. I know someone else say, boy, I should have go there with my phone, go show no walk one and all these things, you know. People, you know me, I say, don't worry yourself. We have a whole heap of great things in store for you. See? A whole heap of great things in store for you. You understand? Yeah, man. So, manners and respect, I give thanks for you always there with me. You see me? Yeah, man, I give thanks for you always there with me. Always there with me. You see me? So, bless upon yourself. As I say, just continue to do the right thing. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You understand? Yeah, man, just do the right thing with people. You don't know the thing, but bless upon yourself. 876 by birthday, my people. And I'm out, alright? Little bit. Yeah. Whole heap of activity on the sea, people. Couple ship out there, couple boat out there. I see all of one yacht out there and see all the next boat. I mean, if it's a tugboat, this is what kind of boat this I go out there, so too, but yeah, couple of activity out there, see? Yeah, man. A Jamaica this, man. You see me? Yeah, Kingston to be exact. Down a town. Later now. I'm going. Little more. What put I enjoy on the holiday to you? Yo, happy holiday. Happy holiday, people. Happy holiday. Me is not really a Christmas person or, you know, one of them type of person, but you don't know. I know so this is the time for families come together and eat some food and share some wonderful memories and them little things. So bless up on yourself, man. Happy holidays, man. Enough love goes out. People might have cake. I might have cereal. I have whole heap of things where they eat at Christmas time. You see me? If we go live for sure, no one go and see. But bless up on yourself, man. Don't make the video done and you know click like. And remember to share the video to people. Share the video for me, please. Please share the video for me, alright? Later now, I'm out. We don't know already. Come back, Portmore for sure. We don't know already. I'm my place this, you see me? Yeah, man, so look at it, see? Bless up my people.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want.